Hello, everybody. So, how to schedule a task automatically? So, browser task I talk. Before I start, I want to tell you that if you want my help, you will find the link in the descriptions below. Okay. So, what does mean want you wa- if what that mean if you want to schedule when you need to schedule some task? So, if you have some task you do every day using your browser, so you are in the right way here. So I just want to show you how others what others do to schedule and do that task automatically. You let just the computer do the same thing as you do manually. Okay, for example, here I don't want to make that video too long, because that I just show you that simple, very simple code. So here I use AutoHotkey scripting language, which is the best scripting language for browser automation, and it is the simplest also. Okay, even if you are not a programmer, it's very easy to learn. Okay, here for example, what I have this website here, Swappa. So I want every 10 minutes I see if there is a new product, a new listing in that page here. So I specify the page here. I search for iPhone, for example, in Swappa. Just a simple example. Okay, so every 10 minutes. So here I make this program work just in the background. That's why I put in background equal false, and I specify, and here, so I don't want to go with all the code. Okay, I just want to show you the result. So every 10 minutes, if there is a new listing, just the program puts, so search in that page, I specify here and put the new product. If there is a new product, it puts it here. Okay, and then here. So this is very example, but here I just want to show you that you can use this simple programming language to schedule your task, your browser task. Okay, so that's it for this video, and if you want my help, you will find the link, and also if you want to download that code, you will find it in the descriptions below. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.